Okay, thank you again. Welcome back again. Okay. Now what I want to look at here now is trigonometry. Now trigonometry is intricate and you need to actually draw out the diagrams and read the information and actually do the exercises. Similarly, which you should have done by now in regards to the other mathematical information I have put on my channel. Now again, remember the 2357 no longer goes, but the technical application of it is still relevant. Okay. Now look at what it is saying here, and it's really telling you about squares and rectangles. Don't assume that you know it or you've seen it at school. You have. The fact is that you haven't paid much attention when you were at school and the teacher was giving you the knowledge. You thought you wanted to play with your mate in the background or sit at the back and be a nuisance. Okay? That's not going to work here. You need to get the work done. Draw it out, write it up. Thank you. Get it done. I've given you some supplementary information in regards to circles as well previously, so look on my channel, it's there. Excuse me. Now look at the how to use the sign SOHCAHTOA. Now remember SOHCAHTOA, sine, cosine, tangent. And here we have an example. Okay, utilize it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.